know. You know so. I must log her on him man, right? That's a log there. Our street vibes. Eh? But at that, but he actually China key number so I must big party him I keep. And China key for him tell me when he ask me for China key number that means say me I got charge him enough.
Yeah, but because I record them the same way, this half guys still have to just respond for half. You know what's left. You have a big song. Yeah, but watch out now how you frame it. How you frame it, you know. So how some sound work with waves. So the top fly can't gain a farmer wave, bro. Two big players here. They have a lot of chance. Alright, that thing we're based on this, I'm going to take touchdowns for road.
Sorry about that. Nah, this there be dark.
We have Franco British squad. Yeah. We have Razor. Razor movement are also. Oh, got to Razor having Razor.
Yeah, man, that was a soul link up, man.
And the man with the key, man.
Yeah, man, run up.
Oh, yeah.
Flight.
Jackie Conner Green.
Flight deck. I mean, I got to implement the follow the tradition every sound. I got troopers and man blood clot sound.
Yeah, but Rollers International.
The hilly. There I want. Yeah man, everything good man. Yeah. Sugar nuts. Let's call them sugar nuts have too.
Perfect. That's how you do perfect. Yeah. I mean, especially then.
Sorry, I'm back there. Sorry. This way, bro.
Stop it.
How would I study? No mercy. Yeah! Firestorm there!
Stop balling.
Where's the British? What you say? That's true. Talk the truth. Big up yourself and my father. Yeah, you're from daddy.
You see the girl from Dublin. Say she want this people here look like road chain like a true. Look at that. No, we're not getting our presentation is always what? Present. Somebody must be love with. And this thing, yo, that's true. Yo, that's true. Really, what you say? You feel like say, yo, being shot down, very distinguished. Right now, we feel like yes, we are very distinguished. Right, just so know. Chop up. We say they want absent, you know, like out of that. That looks like that we are reminiscing of it and mind. No, nobody go carry us to the show time.
You don't start juggling, you don't have to move, you just hold yourself. You just see on the top where you have to start. That was there. Yeah, but you have to see, one right now, record and stop sticking. You just press what you look and start back. Oh, that's what I want to smile like you, like food. Eh? Eh?
The box is going to say that we say that it was like the other. You want to get that play oh, you know, play great father for that. Wicked, yeah.
Wait a second. No, shine the pan on.
One British squad pass, man. One solid one goal. See him here.
Star squad.
Yeah, man. Yes, sir. Raza.
Represent the Star Squad, so I'm a Star Squad.
Lonnie Bartis representing for Star Squad Sound. Lonnie Bartis representing for Star Squad Sound. Lonnie Bartis representing for Star Squad Sound. Well, I'm going to Star Squad Sound. Well, I'm going to Star Squad Sound.
Some black bass. I'm representing the Star Squad song. I'm representing the Star Squad song.
Even the family party was tired to be set. Even the family party was tired to be set. Father, that's a Star Squad. Make some boy now say Star Squad. Make some boy now say Make some boy now say
Well, howdy! Star Squad sound about to get rowdy. Star Squad sound about to get rowdy. Star Squad sound about to get rowdy. Well, a Star Squad sound in the building. Well, a Star Squad sound in the building. Well, a Star Squad sound in the building.
Hey boy, you know see Star Squad sound up there. Where are you? T-Jive said that thing. T-Jive said that thing. T-Jive said that thing. Star Squad are the big sound, further sound out.
Star Squad, that's how we body, don't know the Product Squad, we go myself for them. Star Squad, that's how we body, don't know the Product Squad, we go myself for them.
How we go? Real voice in the water, believe the track. I'm representing for who? Star Squad song. I'm representing for who? Star Squad song. I'm representing for who? Star Squad song.
Yo, Star Squad son. Yeah, babe.
I'm close to the house to represent the Star Squad. So I want to represent the Star Squad.
Gunman son, Star Squad, you know Gunman son, all the Star Squad, you know Gunman son, all the Star Squad.
After your advice, I don't know she ain't Jack that represent the Star Squad. After your advice, I don't know she ain't Jack that represent the Star Squad.
But tell it, Lonnie Baratis representing for Star Squad sound. Tell it, Lonnie Baratis representing for Star Squad sound. Tell it, Lonnie Baratis representing for Star Squad sound.
Bueno, a mí se le marca represent the Star Squad sound and that's a Star Squad sound and that's a